हाँ, so class is start. हाँ.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. How are you? I am not getting you. लॉकडाउन में इतने प्रेशर में तुम लोग हो कि विश करना भी छोड़ दिए हो और
अब कहना पीने भी मांगिए ठीक है आपको करूँगा
तुम बात बता तुमसे हमको वाले डर
बात कर रहे हैं आप लोग क्लास में कंसंट्रेट कीजिए सर कुछ बोल रहे हैं
How are you? Hope you all are safe and secure. Today I promised you to supply some posters out in geography, that is resource and development. So right now I am giving you first the homework and the form of questions. So write the first question. Write the first question. Should I start? The very first question is, what do you mean by resources? The very first question is, what do you mean by resources? How do human beings interact with nature? I repeat the second question. How do human beings interact with nature? Third question. How can you say that resources are not the free gifts of nature? I repeat. How can you say that resources are not the free gifts of nature? The fourth question is, classify the resources into various groups. Fourth question is, classify the resources into various groups. Fifth one is, in the category of which resource have natural vegetation and wildlife been kept? I repeat, in the category of which resource have natural vegetation and wildlife been kept? Should I proceed? Are you getting me? लिख लिए हैं आप लोग? The sixth question is, why do we pay revenue to the government even for our own land? The sixth one is, why do we pay revenue to the government even for our own land? The seventh one is, technically all the resources belong to the nation. I repeat, technically all the resources belong to the nation. Justify it. Justify it. जवाब भी नहीं दे रहे हैं वहां से, लिखे कि नहीं?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कोई कुछ लिख रहा है, पूछ रहा है.
Question number 5. Right. Question number 5. In the category of which resource have vegetation
हम भी ये सुन
the category of resource, in the category of which resource have natural vegetation and wildlife been kept. Clear?
सर इस पेज को शेयर कर देंगे ग्रुप में।
नहीं लिखा है क्या?
लिख रहे हैं लोग, बट ज्यादा हो फोटो खींच के भेज देंगे ग्रुप में, सब लोगों के पास चला जाएगा।
ठीक, ऐसे लिख रहे हैं उनको बोल दो, जो नहीं लिख पाएंगे उनको फोटो दे दिया जाएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is why do we pay revenue to the government even for our own land? Question number 6, why do we pay revenue to the government even for our own land? Question number 7, technically all the resources belong to the nation. Justify it. I repeat once again. Technically, all the resources belong to the nation. Justify it. Question number 8. What do you mean by a stock? Question number 8 is what do you mean by a stock? Bracket, write in bracket, resources. Question number 9. List the major impact of the indiscriminate use of resources. Question number 9 is list the major impact of the indiscriminate use of resources. And the final one is what do you mean by sustainable development of resources? Question number 10 is what do you mean by sustainable development of resources? I hope you all have written all the questions. Okay, if you have written the questions, let's move to the topic that we have to read today. So, the topic that we are reading today is Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit 1992. The topic that we are reading is Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit 1992. Earlier, we had read that and seen that. Earlier, we read and seen that what could be the impact of indiscriminate use of resources. We saw that indiscriminate use of resources can divide the society into rich and poor. Similarly, it can divide the world into rich countries and poor countries. We had also seen that indiscriminate use made some person very wealthy, while prevented some person from enjoying a meaningful life or good life. We had also seen that indiscriminate use of resources created number of problems worldwide. Problem like environmental crisis or some other type of problems the world began facing in the form of global warming, depletion of ozone layer, etc. When the world began facing these problems, it appeared very difficult for a single country to combat all these problems or to handle all these problems. So it was decided unanimously to find out the solution of these problems collectively. With this purpose, in June 1992, more than 100 heads of states, that is country, met in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil for the first International Earth Summit. I repeat, seeing no solution of the environmental problem, poverty, disease, the world decided to find out the solution of these problems collectively. This is what in Rio de Janeiro in June 1992, more than 100 heads of state, that is country, made for the first International Earth Summit. Let's find out what was the main purpose of that summit or meeting. The meeting was organized to address urgent problems of environmental protection and socio-economic development at the global level. I repeat, the main purpose of Earth Summit, that is the first International Earth Summit, was to address urgent problem of environmental protection, that is global warming, pollution, depletion of ozone layer, etc. Not only these problems, in that meeting, other socio-economic problems like poverty, disease were also kept in mind, and this is why socio-economic development at the global level was also addressed in that meeting. And you are thinking, what was the outcome of this meeting or summit or conference? So let me write the topic here. Let me write the topic here. Let me write the topic here. Next topic would be outcome of the summit. The assembled leaders leaders signed declaration on global climatic change and biological diversity. The Rio Convention. The meaning of convention is agreement और समझौता है हिंदी. Convention endorsed, supported, favored, endorsed the global forest Agenda 21 for achieving in the 21st century. प्रॉब्लम है.
सुमित का मीनिंग पूछ रहा है एक बच्चा.
हाँ, वो मीटिंग होता है, कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है. समिट. ठीक है. चलिए, let's see what was the outcome of that summit, that is conference. So let's see the assembled or gathered leaders of different countries. As you have seen earlier that the leaders of more than 100 countries participated that summit. So these leaders signed declaration on global climatic change, and due to indiscriminate use of resources, the world began facing climatic problem too. So these leaders signed declaration on global climatic change and biological diversity. That is, due to climatic change, some species of animal or even plant or trees began disappearing. It means their survival was in danger. So in order to protect them, biological diversity declaration on biological diversity was also signed. The Rio convention means here agreement, समझौता कह सकते हैं, endorsed the global forest principles. The Rio convention supported the global forest principle, that is, They favored all the principles that could be helpful in protecting forest and adopted Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in the 21st century. Sustainable, what is sustainable development? You have seen earlier. So this was the outcome of the Rio de Janeiro Summit 1992. Let's see what do you mean by Agenda 21, or what was Agenda 21? Let me write for this. Agenda 21 क्या है? What is Agenda 21? Actually, it is the declaration signed by world leaders in 1992 at the United Nations conference on environment and development. UNCED, which took place at Rio de Janeiro. So Agenda 21 is the declaration signed by world leaders in 1992 at the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, UNCD, which took place at Rio de Janeiro during the Brazil in 1992. What was the purpose? What is the purpose of Agenda 21? So the Agenda 21 consists of many objectives like combating environmental damage, controlling world poverty, controlling world disease, and the problem can't be solved by a single country, even not by a powerful country of the world. So it has been decided, or it was decided, you may say in other words, it was decided that these objectives would be fulfilled through global cooperation on common interest, mutual needs, and shared responsibility. One major objective of this agenda is that every local government should draw its own local Agenda 21. During lockdown, the central government has given or has allowed many states to give or to allow some facilities, but the government has left everything on the DM of each and every district. So it fully depends on the district magistrate which type of facility should be provided in his district. In the same way, in Agenda 21, it has been said that, or it was said that local government, that is the government of each and every government country, should draw its own local agenda, keeping everything, every problem in its mind. So let me write something about it. Okay, आ रहा है क्या?
ठीक है,
उसमें आ रहा है?
नहीं सर, अभी कोई क्वेश्चन।
Objectives of Agenda 21. The main objectives or the objectives of this agenda are as follows. Are as depression of ozone layer, etc., global warming, acid rain, etc., etc. And here combat means struggle. Okay. Number 2, to combat poverty. Third one, to combat diseases. Disease. Fourth one is
Someone is asking what is meaning of agenda.
होता है मुद्दा, main points, issues. क्लियर है? तो बोल नहीं रहे हैं, वहां से बोल नहीं सकते हैं।
उसको म्यूट किया हुआ है सर, बात करने लगे आते हैं।
अच्छा, ठीक है,
अलाउ करें क्या?
नहीं अभी लास्ट में बात कीजिएगा।
ठीक है।
और next final one is to allow every local government to draw its local agenda 21. So these are the prime objective of agenda 21. The first three agenda or problem or objective, this is the main objective, sorry. The first objective of this agenda.
So someone is asking that fourth point.
To allow every local government to draw its own local agenda 21. मैं पहले बताया आपको, डीएम साहब का एग्जांपल दिया कि हमारे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट लॉकडाउन में कुछ राहत दी है, लेकिन फिर भी डीएम साहब जो जिला के डीएम है उन पर डिपेंड छोड़ दिया गया है कि आप अपने अनुसार से लॉकडाउन में राहत दें। अब डीएम साहब को यह तय करना है कि उनके जिला में क्या क्या समस्याएं हैं और क्या क्या नहीं, तो उस समस्या को देख करके उनको छूट दे, किन किन चीजों में छूट देनी चाहिए। ठीक उसी तरह से वो हर लोकल गवर्नमेंट को अलाउ किया गया, कहा गया कि हर लोकल गवर्नमेंट को अलाउ करे कि अपना एक लोकल एजेंडा बनाए, 21 के जैसा लोकल एजेंडा बनाए और उसके तहत एजेंडा बना करके सामने रखे और उसके तहत वो ये सारे काम करे ताकि दुनिया को प्रॉब्लम को पता चले, इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को पता चले कि इसमें किस भी समस्याएं हो सकती हैं। आई होप आप ये पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया। आप आई होप ये पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया।
वो लोग को म्यूट किया हुआ है।
हाँ,
उन लोगों को म्यूट किया हुआ है, इसलिए वो बोल रहे हैं।
हाँ, तो पहला the first three objectives, it was decided to do through global cooperation on common interest like environmental damage. I think environment all across the world is in danger. Not even a single country can claim that it doesn't have any environmental issue or problem. In the same way, poverty is prevalent all throughout the world. And diseases, not even a single country is free from disease. In fact, these days, the entire world is facing coronavirus. So it was decided the first three objectives would be achieved through global cooperation on common interest. Common interest and share mutual needs, that is helping each other, providing facility each other, and shared responsibility. It means that all the countries of the world should bear these responsibilities And the final one would be done by local government to highlight the attention of international organization. If the local government would be failure in fulfilling these objectives, at least it would highlight the issues to attract the attention of international community, that is international institution. So that's all. Now, if you have any problem, you can ask me. For winding up, I would like to ask you if you have any problem, you can ask me.
No.
हल्का बंद कर दी।
सैली कोई प्रॉब्लम है? अंकेश कोई प्रॉब्लम है? राज कोई प्रॉब्लम है? मनीषा कोई प्रॉब्लम है? नाट्य नवेली कोई प्रॉब्लम है? ऋचा कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
Local agenda 21.